Hi everyone, Winnie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally giving you a full tour of my latest minivan camper build. Perfect over 5 years of epic cross-country adventures. My travel style has shifted a bit. I'm focusing on longer stays and deeper dives into each awesome place I visit. So I needed to upgrade my van to be the perfect off-grid heaven. Let's jump in and see the transformation. To keep things low-key and fuel efficient, I installed a 16 cubic feet roof box for extra storage. Window deflectors are also essential for ventilation on long trips. Since I travel year-round and encounter winter conditions, having the right tires is essential. I specifically use tires designed for ice and snow. These tires provide superior traction and grip on slippery surface, giving me peace of mind while driving in challenging weather. No matter the weather, having a good canopy is a lifesaver. Mine attaches to the side or the back of the van, depending on the sun position. Let's head to the front. A handy stretch pocket at the sun visor keeps sunglasses and tissues within reach. And for better airflow while camping, I converted a USB rechargeable fan into exhaust fan under the sunroof. By the driver's side, I added a DIY organizer for those must-have travel essentials you need close at hand. Over the years, I tried several hacks to keep my snacks and drinks at hand while I'm driving. I think I found the solution. I added a custom food tray for snacks and drinks. These add-on brackets and shelves are attached to my existing freestanding custom console without drilling to the original console. They can also be removed in 5 minutes. There are a total of 2 shelves altogether. It gives me extra storage space. If I want to work in the front, I can just add the removable table. Voila! How cool is that? Moving on to the main living area. Behind the passenger seat, I cleverly repurposed a long door organizer into sections to keep all my dog's daily essentials organized and easily accessible. I really like the stainless steel dog bowl with a silicone lid. They are easy to clean and will not leak. I usually keep 2 in the car. I keep dog treats in this pocket because I can reach it when I'm driving and give it to my dog. This first aid kit is for my dog only. I use Velcro tape to secure the organizer to the bottom of the seat. I also insert a piece of wood stiffener into the pocket of the seat to keep the organizer tight against the seat. One of the useful items in my van is the trash can with a lid. It keeps the bugs out. I put it here so that I can reach it from the driver's seat or at the kitchen. This is the corner piece of my bed. It can be used as part of the bed for sleeping, or it can be easily removed and stored next to the fridge. For mattress, I tested both 2 inches and 3 inches foam in my last trips. I prefer the 2 inches since it gives me more headroom in the cabin. The corner panel also doubles as back support when I'm cooking or working on my laptop. I created a custom attachment so that I can lock the panel to the bed. protect the wall, I use 3 inches pipe foam insulation to cover the corner of the bed panel. Another useful item I replaced is a larger collapsible wash basin. This 13 by 17 inch wash basin fits my counter perfectly. I use it for sponge bath and hair wash inside the van. And I store it right behind the fridge for easy access. This is the back of the fridge. I have another mesh organizer for dishwashing items and towels. No off-grid camping without a provision for external shower. I don't have a fancy or solar shower on the roof. It only costs me around $20 and it just works fine for me. This small kitchen packs a punch. I have everything I need to whip up delicious meals, from a 12-volt fridge to a sink with a convenient USB water faucet. The counter space is perfect for prepping food, eating, or even working on my laptop. This awesome spice cubby above the sink keep my most used spice organized and readily available. It even has a built-in slot for a small knife and a magnetic foam mount, which is a lifesaver for following recipes. I hate wasted space, so I built a custom drawer that utilizes all the area under the sink. A push lock keeps it securely closed while I'm on the road. This IKEA bamboo cutting board serves 2 purposes. It is a large cutting board as well as counter extension. It fits snugly above the drawer. For cooking inside, I use a space-saving built-in stove. I also have a backup stove for outdoor cooking. I have a dedicated space to store the stove and securely locked it. It's just a simple latch, but it works. I also maximize the space under the bed with another plastic drawer for all my cooking utensils. Keeping them organized makes meals preparation a breeze. This wall cabinet is my designated wardrobe. I use packing cubes to keep my clothes organized and labeled. Below the shelf, I still have tons of room to keep the item I use less frequently. I bought all these packing cubes from IKEA, and the price was quite reasonable. Below the shelf, I still have tons of room to keep the items I use less frequently, such as toilet papers and other stuff. Right by the side door, I hung another organizer for those grab-and-go essentials like a mirror, beanie, gloves, and anything else I need on a daily basis. On the passenger side, I have a bedside organizer that keeps my first aid kit, hygiene pouch, towel, and phone within easy reach at night. My laptop finds a secure spot right behind the organizer. And here's my fleece jacket that I may need at night. I also have a dedicated place for my key. To create a cozy sleeping area at night, I have a blackout curtain that separates the front cab from the living area in the back. I have two options to hang the curtain. I can hang it between the pull handles and use a combination of magnets and velcros to secure the curtain to the sides. The second option is to hang it below the moon roof with two clips. This is how it looks. Let's move to the back. Behind the bed, I created a large mesh pocket to store window shades, hats, shopping bags, and even an extra first aid kit. Under the bed, there is plenty of space for my full-size spare tire. I also keep my tire pump, tire repair kit, axe, and fishing gear here. All the essentials for unexpected situations. For worry-free off-grid adventures, I have two power stations, one at 2000 watts and another at 500 watts, giving me a total of over 2500 watts of power. These can be charged while driving or by using my 220 watt portable solar panels. If you are interested in more details, I have a separate video on this. I have attached a link for this video in the description below. This 3-year-old Jackery is no longer my favorite due to its slow charging speed. To keep my gear organized, I have a designated storage space on the driver's side of the garage for my trekking poles and tripods. Now let's talk about water. For off-grid camping, I have a 7-gallon freshwater tank on board. I also carry several 1-gallon jugs to supplement my water supply. When there is no spigot around, my trusty Sawyer squeeze water filtration system comes into play. This handy little gadget allows me to filter water from nearby streams or creeks for safe drinking. I hope these practical upgrades inspire you to create your perfect off-grid minivan camper. Until then, I see you on the road.